We recently sailed on both the Regal Princess and the Sky Princess. Although they are essentially the same, we noticed certain differences and wanted to share which ones we prefer and on which ship. Here is the Regal Princess retreat pool area. It is an adults-only area. It has a great pool, hot tubs, bar, and lots of loungers with covered areas. It looks very resort-like. On the same deck as the retreat pool is the sanctuary. This is a private additional cost area that gives you privacy and preferred service. Here is the retreat pool on the Sky Princess. Although it has a second floor, it seems smaller, and hot tubs are on the floor above the pool. Not much shaded area as you can see, and the pool just looks older. Our choice for the retreat pool would be the Regal Princess. Here is the Regal Princess main pool area. It has a large pool on one side, a smaller pool on the other, and a large platform stage where they have live bands, DJs, and other events. There are plenty of loungers on the main pool deck, as well as the deck above, but no real shade areas for the loungers. All of the shaded areas are general tables and chairs. Here is the main pool on the Sky Princess. It has two large pools with built-in circular padded seating between the pools. Again, there are plenty of loungers, but no real shade areas for loungers. Our choice for the main pool would be the Sky Princess. Let's go to the back of the ships. Here is the Regal Princess Deck 17, a raised pool and lots of loungers on this deck. Here is the Regal Princess Deck 16. This is a great area. Since the pool is upstairs, there are a lot of comfortable tables and chairs, as well as cushioned chairs and love seats. The sea view bar is also on this deck. The view is incredible right off the back of the ship. Here is the Sky Princess Deck 17. Pretty much all loungers on this deck. Here is the Sky Princess Deck 16. There is a disappearing edge pool on this lower deck, as well as a sea view bar along with tables and chairs. Our choice for the rear deck of the ship would be the Regal Princess. Here is the Vista Lounge on Deck 7 of the Regal Princess. It is big and has great seating. The main difference we see here is there is no walk-up bar. Here is the Vista Lounge on the Sky Princess. It is also big and has lots of great seating, but has the added benefit of the walk-up bar. Our choice for the Vista Lounge would be the Sky Princess. Here is the Princess Live Lounge on the Regal Princess. This is probably the biggest difference we saw. The lounge is closed off and the seating is theater style. There are a lot of seats, but the rows are cut off, so it is nearly impossible to get a drink unless everyone else in the row hands it down to you. Here is the Princess Live Lounge on the Sky Princess. It is open to all who care to walk by and has more of a lounge-style seating. Our choice for Princess Live would be the Sky Princess. This is just our opinion of the differences of the facilities on these two incredible ships. Fact is, even though it was close, we'd sail on either one of them at any time. Let us know what you would prefer.